Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the OnePlus Nord 2 versus the OnePlus 80 device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers, asked me to compare both phones side by side. The main reason is because the OnePlus Nord 2 has got the Oxygen UI plus colorway has got mixed in this device, and whereas the OnePlus 80 is still has got the pure Oxygen UI in this device. That's the main reason why few of the users they want to know how is the RAM management in this UI. So very soon they're gonna update friends to the ColorOS. So we'll be definitely missing this kind of optimization for the RAM, because right now in the ColorOS it's not that optimized for the multitasking, for intense kind of multitasking. That is what I meant. So in this testing, I'll try to do the intense level of testing, which includes 10 small games. As you can see, this is the only reason why I'm doing is because to test the intense level of RAM management only. Try to understand my point, intense level testing. So I do know no one will be playing this many games, but I just want to test which UI will be capable of holding them in the background RAM management. That's what my main idea. And this is a question which has been requested also by few of my subscribers. I need to follow their instructions. That's the reason I'm trying to upload based on the messages which I did receive. So let's start with the first thing, which is a reboot test. Let's start both phones. Let's reboot first. And these 10 games are completely offline games. They don't require any kind of Wi-Fi or any kind of internet connection, so you should not be worried about that. So OnePlus Nord 2 versus OnePlus 80. So this is going to be really very interesting to see what will happen with these both phones. Right now, first phone to boot up is the OnePlus 80. Did boot slightly faster. And next, the OnePlus Nord 2 did start next. Let me enter the passwords. So right now, both phones are completely boot up, friends, and there's no background applications running, and there's no high performance mode. I did not enable them, and I did enable the RAM boost, which is present in the I think additional settings. Let me check. Yes. So I did enable the RAM boost option in both phones. That's something you should know. Yes. So let me clear everything from the background. So all the apps are completely clean. And these games I did not add into the gain space. Nothing at all. There's no game boosters. No game boosters. I did not enable that. I'm getting a lot of comments. I'm saying again, there is no game boosters. The main reason is because if you enable them, they'll try to clear all the background RAM management. And right now, there is no high performance mode as well in the OnePlus Nord 2. I did not enable that. So let's see without enable that how the phone gonna perform. As I said, without enabling the high performance mode, the phone doesn't perform much. The OnePlus Nord 2. The OnePlus Nord 2 only performs in the high performance mode very good. But I need to test the RAM management. That's my main focus of doing this video, testing the RAM management especially. So it's so sad that the Oxygen UI will be immediately switching back to the changing to the ColorOS. That's another very sad part to know, because the Oxygen UI is very much really good in the RAM management and everything. That's pure stock Android without bloatware, nothing at all. But that's another disappointing thing. So let's see what happens next. Ilka amazing. As you can see, friends, clearly the OnePlus 80 was able to open very much faster, very faster than the OnePlus Nord 2 in most of the applications and I mean most of the games. So at least they should leave the previous old phones. They should keep the stock UI, I mean stock Oxygen UI. So even all the old phones also will be forced to do update to the ColorOS. Unfortunately, all the 10 games are completely open in the background RAM management. Now it's time to check the RAM management. Let's start the test without wasting any time. Let's see how many games both UIs can actually keep it. So see, from the same OnePlus company only, but different UI optimizations and same 8GB RAM variant and 128GB storage only I'm trying to use. And now we're going to check the 6th game, because 5 games will be definitely okay. The 6th game is also okay in the OnePlus Nord 2, in the OnePlus 80 also. Now let's check the 7th game, which is Temple Run. Temple Run got closed in the OnePlus Nord 2, but it's open in the OnePlus 80. So when this game also open in the OnePlus 80, Candy Crush also open in the OnePlus 80, and final game, which is a Subway Surf, is also open in the OnePlus 8T. So this is the power of the Oxygen UI, friends. That's the reason why for most of the people they'll be willing to buy the OnePlus phones because of the Oxygen UI. But right now, unfortunately, we don't have that kind of option left for these users. So he's a quick winner. The OnePlus 8T was able to open faster and was able to keep them in the background RAM management. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.